Just finished a tree planting. 200 trees have been planted by the pupils. We've got 5 minutes, so I just thought I'd explain a little bit about Tree Peel is about. Tree Peel sends trees to schools for free. Essentially, they're all paid for by our corporate sponsors, who could be any kind of companies. We have a large range of different types of company. Some are retail, some are business to business, and they all do it for a variety of different reasons. Some of them do it as a team building exercise, so they will send their staff out, as they did today, and they will get their hands dirty and help to plant the trees. Other companies like to do it as a kind of milestone, perhaps to have something to celebrate about the company. It might be their 100th year. Other businesses like to attach tree planting to the product or service they sell. We have quite a few of those as well. And some of us indeed do it as part of their carbon offsetting scheme, so it's a general environmental thing.
Sustainable business is important to ZEP Chemicals. They continuously find ways to reduce waste in their own business and create products and services for customers that reduce impacts on the environment. ZEP is greening its own operations, reducing energy consumption, packaging, water usage and waste, while increasing the amount of recycled content in their packaging. And they have also developed a range of environmentally preferable products. Partnering with Tree Peel, ZEP has made a further commitment to the environment by becoming an Eco-Chems partner. The eco-impact of ZEP's manufacturing and delivery was assessed. To offset this ecological footprint, a UK native broadleaf tree will be planted for every £500 worth of chemicals purchased. The scheme is administered through Tree Peel. For more information, please contact Tree Peel directly.